Hello everybody, my name is Akilis Ma. I graduated from Illinois Institute of Technology as Master of Science in Display. In the previous YouTube video, I introduced a very interesting project I'm now doing in IIT's Visual Computing Lab. You can find my video in this link. And today I want to introduce something else of our project. Okay, let's make it and run. In the first look, there is a 2D plane, and if you want to add some texture to hollow it, it looks like this way, and we can resize it and remove some part of this texture. These two parts, you can remove it and apply it. It looks like this way, and I want to add something else. This texture, resize it, maybe kind of larger here. Okay, it looks like this way, and we want to smooth the border. Okay, and I want to add some textures here for my university's logo. And smooth it, make it lower. Okay, now it looks good. I want to bend it and make it look like this way. Now we can design a ring by these several images, and it looks very good. If you want to print it, we can output it and run in the server. We can use the mesh lamp to check it whether or not it is good. Yeah, this is the model. Maybe you will print in the future. For a ring, it's kind of good. It's kind of cool. Okay, thanks very much for you to watch.